A pre-owned 2011 BMW 740i. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.0-liter i6 engine with rear-wheel drive and a six-speed shiftable automatic transmission. This BMW has less than 80,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.